Okay, so factorising 4y minus 8 here, well, I should point this out to you. No matter what type of factorising you do, no matter what type, you always check for a highest common factor first. Right? That's what you've been doing anyway in these questions, but no, going forward, no matter what type of factorising you do, you always check for a highest common factor first. Okay? So, 4y minus 8. Now, I want to break this down a little bit more for you to understand. 4y minus 8 has two terms in that expression. The first term is 4y, and the second term is minus 8. Just be clear on that there. That little expression, 4y minus 8, has two terms in it. 4y is the first term, and minus 8 is the second term. As I've pointed out there, term 1 and term 2. Right, so what does that mean, Anthony, to us? Well, let's see. So, going up to the top here, let's start by seeing if there is anything in common with the numbers 4 and 8. And to do that, in your mind, you've either got to break down or say to yourself, well, the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Nothing else divides into 4 evenly except the numbers 1, 2 and 4. Similarly with 8, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Right? And then you say to yourself, okay, well, I've got common factors 1. I've got common factor which is 2, but the highest common factor is 4. Okay, the highest common factor is 4, and then you say, any letters in common? Any letters in common? 4y and 8, and the straightforward answer is there, no. No letters in common. Okay, all good. So, 4y minus 8, we've checked the numbers, and we've figured out that there is something in common between the 4 and 8. We took out that 4, we open up our bracket, okay, and whether you're strong enough to do this yet, I don't know, so I'm going to go say, right, my first term was 4y, wasn't it? The first term was 4y. Let's go off here and write down 4y down below. You don't know what I'm doing there. First term. And second term is minus 8, isn't it? So this is what I was doing down below. First term is 4y. Look at it up there if you don't believe me. 4y. And the second term is minus 8. Down here I've got the boxes ready. And so what we do is, to decide what goes inside the brackets here, is we divide by red 4. We divide by red 4, so I just stick a red 4 in here. There. And we say to ourselves, okay, 4y divided by 4, 4 is cancelled, you're left with y. And minus 8 divided by 4, be careful. Minus divided by plus is minus. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So, our answers now, when we put that all back together, 4y divided by red 4, you're left with y, and minus 8 divided by 4 is minus 2. And if you're not grabbing why that is the answer, well, it's down there in the boxes. And that is the answer you should be given on your exam paper.